Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Gamja Jorim, which is braised potato. Let's get started. I had so much fun during the business trip and I had so many different kinds of food. So now I'm so craving Korean food. So I'm gonna make really authentic Korean side dish which is called Gamja Jorim. So to get started, we need some potato. You need 2 or 3 potato, but my potato is really small, so I'm gonna use 4 of them. So slice it in half and cut it into big chunks. About this size, this big. After you slice potato, get a bowl of water and put all of your potato into the water. And let it soak for about 10 minutes. You can totally skip this part, but I'm letting the starch out. If you let your potato starch out, it's gonna be harder to break. It's not gonna break easily, that's what I mean. And it will soak up more flavor, so make sure don't skip this part. Yeah, but it's better to not, right? Okay? It's better not to skip this part. And put to the side. And we're gonna prepare other veggie.
Why am I bending?
Next, we need some carrots. Cut the edges, and we need about quarter, because I don't really like carrots. Slice it in half, and cut it into big chunks. I think that's a little too small. Get some more. If you like carrot, you can add more, but it's all depends on your preference. And put to the side. Next, we need a half of an onion. So slice it half and slice thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need 3 garlic. Cut the edges and slice thinly. And put to the side. Next, we need hot pepper. Cut the edges and slice thinly. If you don't like spicy food, you can just add 1 hot pepper or not putting hot pepper at all. So it's up to you. And put to the side. Next, get a 1 top part of green onion, I think that's what it's called. Slice it in half and slice thinly. Put to the side. After 10 minutes, drain all your potato. Get a pot and turn your stove on low heat. Put some olive oil. And add all the garlics. If you cook the garlic first, it will bring out the garlic fragrance and it will give really good flavor to the dish. After cooking for 1 minute, we're gonna add onions. After another minute, add all your carrots. After 1 to 2 minutes, add all your potato. And make sure coat it with the oil. And if you don't have enough oil, add some more. After 2 minutes, when you can see like potato like little see-through. You get what I mean? Do you get what I mean? You know when potato become little white, like see-through, like, you know what I mean. If you're cooking, you will know what I mean. Okay, then we're gonna add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And mix them so they can have all the flavor. And we need about half cup of water. And put your stove on medium high and let it boil about 10 minutes. Once it starts boiling, add half of the hot pepper. Oh, this is vegan. I didn't know that. Make sure to keep stirring so it doesn't stick on the bottom. After 10 minutes, when you don't see the sauce a lot, we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of corn syrup. Mix well so all the potato can have a corn syrup. And add rest of the hot pepper and half of the green onion. Tastes really good. It's all ready. To check whether potato is ready or not, poke it with the chopstick. If it goes through, then it's ready. Alright, I'm not gonna break it anymore, so turn your stove up, get your favorite plate, and place your potato. And decorate with the green onions. That's it. Our Gamja Jorim is all ready to eat. Eating time! That's it. Ooh, so excited. Oh, it smells so good. Let me have some. I think sweet and salt goes really well, like a salted caramel hot chocolate. It's a little salty and a little sweet, and it goes really well. Since I add a spicy pepper, it has really good spiciness that hit my throat, and I really like it. Even I don't really like carrot. This carrot is really good. It's really sweet and little salty. I like it. Potato is cooked perfectly. It's really soft and tastes really good. And it goes so well with the caramelized onion. Tastebomb.com. The garlic. It gives really subtle, mild garlic fragrance to the all of this dish. So tastes so good. So you should definitely try. And if you try, please send me a picture through social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner Subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. So hopefully see you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!